Hey everybody, a company called Metakoo sent us this sample truck to try out. It's a four-wheel drive and it goes 70 kilometers per hour or about 43 miles per hour. And this is the box that it comes in. Give you a quick spin around of it and we're going to put it to the test. So let me open it up and show you what comes inside the box. Okay, everything you see here was inside the box. Instruction manual, the truck itself, the controller, and the charger. And the model number is A969-B by WL Toys, and it's sold by Metakoo, which sent me this. So let's open this baby up and see what's inside. The cover of the truck is held down by these pins. It's a very light cover. And let me zoom in here a bit so you can see what I'm talking about. Right here, you just take the pin out, and there's 4 of them. There's one here and 2 more on the front. I have the cover off the car, and as you can see, it has quite good bounce for the shocks. But what we're going to do now is charge it up. And to charge it, here is the battery cord for charging, and ignore these 2 for now because that's when it's charged. We're going to connect these 2. Here's just a closer look at the battery connection. Just plugs in here like that. This goes into the wall socket and it takes about 2 hours for it to fully charge. Well, enough talk. Let's take it out for a spin. Then I'll show you the controller and give you my final opinion. It's so fast. That's crazy. I thought I'd get creative with this. This car has no camera, and I took the top off, and I don't have a GoPro, but I do have a spy pen that records in HD 1080 and also has a microphone, and I put it in there with some rubber bands, and let's go see how this turns out. enjoyed those clips because we had fun making them. And here's a quick look at the controller. It takes 4 AA batteries that go in the bottom here, as you can see. And make sure they're fully charged and you won't lose connection with your controller and get a greater distance out of the vehicle. We never lost connection, and we went all the way down the street to the point where you can't even see the car, and we had it come back, no problem. So here is how the throttle works. Right here we have a trigger. Just pull it in. You can pull it in slightly, it'll go slow. All the way is full blast, or you can push forward on it and it'll go in reverse. And right here are buttons for fine-tuning the steering and whatnot. And over here we have the steering. You could just give it a little tap and it'll react instantly. My overall thoughts on the vehicle is that it can take a beating, because we really put it through the test through dust, and it even fell in a sewer at one point where it got completely underwater and we dried it out and it still worked. So it's great for a 14-year-old. That's how old my son is. I would suggest if you're going younger than that, make sure your kid's responsible. And he says it's more fun than a drone by 10 times. You can just take it out in your front yard and start going moto with it. And you don't have to go to like a special open area to fly it like a drone. But it's a barrel of fun, and the first time you try it, you'll laugh your butt off because the thing goes so fast. Now, it's so small that it just looks crazy. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the review, and take care, everybody.